Why do you need me?
Where's my dad?
Honey, I'm
Dad,
sorry. You don't
where
have
are
a
you?
dad. You don't have a dad. I'm so sorry.
Hey baby, let's go somewhere private.
Felix, that is not appropriate. I'm your mother.
Open the door.
Okay, I'll let the dog in.
Bobby, do you love me?
I see my prey.
Oh hell! Oh hell! Get out of there!
Jump up here.
Dad, where are you?
Hi, Felix.